At a time when nearly every IT organization is asked to do more with less, solutions that can both reduce costs and improve service levels are the keys to success. We have one. This is big. Our IT managed services take the burden of routine technology support off your team's plate so you can focus on higher value projects. We obsess over customer service and scale in a way that reduces your overall IT costs, contributing directly to your bottom line. Our solution starts with a no-strings-attached free discovery workshop where we evaluate your existing people, process, and technology. We define goals, KPIs, SLAs, and tailor the solution to focus on areas such as service desk, networking, device management, virtual work, cybersecurity, and procurement. As a Microsoft Gold partner and with experience supporting clients that range in size from 100 to 100,000 users, you can be assured of our quality and commitment to your success. To learn more or sign up for a free discovery workshop, contact us today.